Now, if you're in the market for buying a new or a used car, you know that it's not going to be just a one-time investment. New cars, used cars both require regular maintenance and upkeep to perform at the highest level throughout the time you own it. Always got to check the oil, fill the tires with air, changing the filters, replacing the brakes, and all sorts of things like that. Software is actually very, very similar. Always new security patches to apply, bugs to fix, performance tuning to do, and you're always monitoring for potential issues that customers may face. Provide world-class service, you really need to have a proactive mindset and find things before the customer does. KMS Technology is a software engineering and product development company, and we also provide world-class software support and maintenance services. And why would you consider us as a partner for this service? It's possible that you have a need to reduce a bunch of technical debt that your current team really just doesn't have the time to focus on. Or maybe you need to free up talent to spend more time on strategic or future roadmap items. It's also possible that you're simply looking for a 24/7 option for coverage, or you have an emerging customer base in the Asia Pacific region, and you'd like a local presence in that market. At KMS Technology, we've helped many of our clients realize the benefits of having a partner, a true partner that has deep product development and maintenance and services expertise. We've helped them to expand their capacity and coverage in a cost-effective manner, improve their customer service and product quality measures, and last but not least, really instill more confidence in the product that they're delivering. If you have any questions about software maintenance at KMS, we'd love to have a chat with you.